Welcome to this session on the PowerPack for Advanced Steel from GRAITEC. In this session today, we're going to take a look at the new migration tool available that allows users to migrate their custom data from previous versions to the current version of the PowerPack.
We are going to be looking at the GRAITEC PowerPack 2023.1 migrate content function. So to start with, I am in Advanced Steel 2023 with the 2023 PowerPack installed. So if I go to About, you can see that this is the 2023 PowerPack. I'm just going to show you a library entry. So I'm going to come to my railings joint. If we go to the library, you can see I have this saved as a library. So 50 square post, 12 square infill bar, and a 60 by 10 handrail. I've also added into my system my own custom special part. So I'll just bring this dialog up on the screen. In my pipe-to-pipe connection, I've got this internal splice here, which I have added manually to the system. Okay, so what I need to do now is I'm going to do the installation of the 2023 PowerPack, and then we'll come back to look at the migration tool. Okay, so I now have the 2023.1 PowerPack installed. So again, if we go to the About function, you can see here it's the Advanced PowerPack 2023.1 for Autodesk Advanced Steel. If I put in a piece of railing, and we go to the library, you can see that the library's empty, and the same with the special part manager. If I bring the special part manager over to the screen and we go to the pipe-to-pipe connection, we can see that that is also empty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut down my Advanced Steel and I'm going to run the PowerPack tool. So what you do is you go to your Start menu, you scroll down, because the PowerPack is it's an add-in for Advanced Steel. We have our own folder here, and we've got the option here to migrate from previous PowerPack version. This will then bring up our dialog, and we can see that we've got transfer settings and files from a particular release. Now, on my machine, I only had the 2023 PowerPack, so that's why it's only that one showing. I am going to say select all, so it's going to select my joint libraries, my special parts, and my profiles, because I don't have any other options in here. And then I'm going to simply choose the migrate function. We will get this message that it says it might take some time, please do not interrupt the process. So I'm going to hit yes, and I'm going to let the process run. And we can see it's still running, because if I move my mouse off the dialog, I've got my normal cursor. If I bring it back, I've got the spinning wheel, which tells us that it is doing the migration. So again, we will come back when the migration is done. So after a minute or so, I get a dialog box saying your settings have been transferred successfully. Would you like to see the log file now? So I'll say yes. And that will bring me up a textpad file showing me what has found and what has migrated. So what we'll do, we'll start our Advanced Steel 2023. And we will look at our library entries. So we have our 2023 advanced deal with the 2023.1 PowerPack on. We'll just do some railing. We'll make it 5 meters long. And if we now go to the library, we can see here is our library entry from the 2023 PowerPack.